Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and app readiness. Check the Nexon head unit model and whether Android Auto is supported natively or through a dongle. Once done, use a high-quality USB cable, data-capable, not charge-only, then connect your phone. Make sure Android Auto is updated and that you've granted permissions for contacts, messages, and media. Finally, enable developer mode inside the Android Auto app and toggle the USB audio option if prompted to ensure the connection transmits sound. Once you've connected, accept the permission prompts on both the phone and the Nexon display. This authorizes media, calls, and notifications. Next, change the head unit source to Android Auto and confirm audio is routed via USB. If audio is through Bluetooth, change output to the car within phone settings. Also, set the phone's screen timeout longer and allow Android Auto to run in background so playback doesn't cut. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is configured to avoid interruptions. Now, launch a compatible video app or use an approved video playback workaround that mirrors to the head unit. Follow safety rules. Do not watch while driving. If playback fails, first restart the phone and the Nexon head unit, then try a different cable or USB port. If problems persist, return to developer mode and toggle USB audio or authorization settings, update Android Auto and the app, and confirm permissions. One key tip: swap cables before deeper troubleshooting. Most connection issues are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.